Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today in Canada it is freezing rain. Ice, ice, baby. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in like a week or two, but I started makeup school. But with the weather, got called off today, so why not do makeup anyways? So I'm going to be doing a look by Christiana Gabriel. She looks like a human doll. She's so cute and has like the biggest eyes and like cutest little button nose. And she did a Galactic Demon look that, hi. Me. Let's get started. Let's start with skin. Alright, so I'm going to start with a little bit of my Stay Matte foundation, my Rimmel. It's a really matte, like moussey formula because I don't like really liquidy foundations. Like look, it like stays on my hand. Also, I've become addicted to Billie Eilish in like 2 days. Bury a Friend is my new like lifeblood. Like I need to hear it in order to live. And my bronzer, forever and always, I just use my Colourpop Private Party. I'm gonna use a bit of my Rom-Com blush. She did kind of foundation out her lips a bit. Brow time. She has some sharp black brows. So we're going to be using my Morphe Slate liner. Maybe I'll smoke another bowl. To do the eyeliner first for no real reason. So I'm going to put a bit of the Smashbox Always On. Yes, now we've smoked that out. I'm going to grab my James Charles palette. I'm going to take a bit of Benny and a little bit of Spooky. Just blend out that line and set the liner. I'm going to blend it out with a little bit of Love That and Benny. I'm going to use the tattoo liner to the bottom. Okay, so I feel like I'm pretty much done aside from lashes and like gloss and highlight. So I'm going to take my little brush, highlight my brow bone. setting spray and highlight. And I've got my mascara on. Okay, so my biggest lashes are going to be my Slayer from Rouge and Rogue. And I also think I'm going to use Raven on the bottom. And this is the completed. Alright, and thank you to Christiana Gabriel who came up with this cool ass idea. I think it's so cool. Say cool one more time. Cool, cool. Alright, and yes, now I'm part of the Galactic Demon Squad, which is really something I've always wanted and worked towards, aspired to be. So pretty pumped about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, watching me make myself a demon, because I did. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.